A very good evening to all. Respected judges, TASU office bearers leading by the President, my dear competitors, and those whoever are present here. My name is Chongmei. I'm representing Lapa Lampong Students Union, and I'm standing here to recite a poem on the title Remember Woman. Remember, woman, you were born, life giver, miracle creator, magic maker. You were born with the heart of 1,000 mothers, open and fearless and sweet. You were born with the fire of queens and conquerors, warriors blood you bleed. You were born with the wisdom of sages and shamans. No wound can you not heal. You were born the teller of your own tale. Before none should you kneel. You were born with an immeasurable soul reaching out vast infinity. You were born to desire with patience, abundant, and to name your own destiny. Remember, woman, remember you are more than you can see. Remember, woman, remember you are loved endlessly. Remember, woman, your power and grace, the depth of your deep sea heart. Never forget you are a woman, divine, as you have been from the start, by Recitation. And the theme of this poem is that it talks about women empowerment. It reminds a woman about her self-worth, ability to face fears and keep moving, and the power to create, nurture, and transform the world. Thank you.